adult education. Adult education. Hey, my people, cause if say education good, whether you big, you small, you old, you dey young, man and woman, education good, okay? Cause in school, when papa they go, mama they go, Igwe they go, the chief they go, plus including men and women. My people come watch this movie. You go not say better thing there for the movie. Yes now, it never finish you, okay? Cause you will do young papa, come they pursue one girl, pursue and for plenty years.
Stop me.
Yes, now.
Okay.
Hey.
You never feel like this.
Chineke God can't save you the girl from the hand of the man. Oh, the man pikin can't grow now, can't go marry. And the person when he marry.
Lest I forget my manners. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Queens.
You know, oh, now you could be here. Oh, but no, to get my equal.
Wait.
Hello, to know why you feel, you know, oh, now you could be here. I go one give me to can Haitian money. Talk with it. Aba, Ubi, Abia, is a bottom.
Wait. Justin! Chicken!
What is it?
Falling? Chicken running one delay. Jogging. Chicken transfer. Chicken running. Jogging.
Adult education carry so many stories. My people make you come watch this movie. If you watch this movie finish, you gonna say movie pass a movie. It pass a movie. Hell, better movies industry limited. Una too much for movie. Yes, adult education part 1 and 2. Adult education. Hell, now here movie finish. Oh yes, so distributed and marketed nationwide by Better Movies Industries Limited. G2857 Electronics Market, Onitsha, Anambra State. Telephone 080-343-93280.
I go to treat your focus. I go treat her well.
Better movies.
I'm your focus.
Adult education part 1 and 2. My people. Hey, make you know what person tell you this one. Oh.